now that we learned some basic sketch tools, we want to create our first box drivetrain. So today our goal here is to create this side profile of the box tube of the drivetrain, this side profile right here. So we know that, we think that, let's just imagine that this box tubing is 1.75 inches off the ground, and then this wheel is 3-inch wide. And we're going to say this box tubing is 2 inches high, and we want it to be a 30 by 30 drivetrain. So this side is 30 and this side is also 30. So let's start. So we want to start by creating a sketch on the side plane, and then we want to first create our wheels, obviously. So we know that our box tubing, no, let's start with the box tubing. So we know that the box tubing is going to be, we want it to be 30 inches long. So we're going to create a center box tubing. And we're going to do this to be 2 inches and this to be 30. So this will be 30 inches long and 2 inches high. We know that this box tubing has to be 1.75 inches above the ground. So we can dimension this to the origin, and then put a 1.75 dimension on it. So now this, so we now know that this is where our box tubing is going to be. But now we want to add our wheels in to be touching the ground. So let's just add in that. So we know this is going to be 1.75 inches high and 3 inches thick. So that's going to be our wheel. And then we can do the same on this side. You can see that there's a lot of blue lines on our sketches, and we learned that we always want everything to be fully constrained. So let's see what's moving about this. Okay, so we can see the whole thing is moving left to right. So what we can do is, again, dimension this to the origin. Or no, we can dimension this to the origin to be like, say, oh, we want this to be 15. Or we could use a constraint. We can make this, the center of this rectangle and the origin horizontally to each other. So now we can see everything turned black because now that the center is horizontally constrained to the origin, this can't move left or right. So now we can see that there's a lock symbol on our sketch. And this is our side profile of our drivetrain.